First, no matter what the cause of your itchy ears, it's never a good idea to stick any objects in your ears to try to get relief. Damaging your ear is a definite possibility, and that includes your inner ear and the tiny bones that help you hear. That said, here are the most common reasons your ears itch. Earwax buildup. Wax is your body's way of cleaning dead skin cells and dirt out of your ears, but too much of it can make them itch. Usually, over-the-counter ear drops that break up the wax are helpful. Never try to remove wax accumulation with a cotton swab. That just pushes the wax deeper inside where it can get stuck and affect your hearing. Allergies. Many people have hay fever, pollen, or food allergies, all of which can cause itchy ears. Infections. Itchy ears can sometimes be a sign of an ear infection caused by bacteria or viruses. This typically happens when you have a cold or the flu. Skin disorders. Sometimes itchy ears are caused by skin disorders, which can also trigger itching in other places. Skin that's itchy around your elbows, eyebrows, or scalp could mean you have one of the following conditions. Eczema, which is skin inflammation with redness and unsightly lesions. Psoriasis, in which skin has dry red patches covered with scales. Seborrheic dermatitis, which is a skin condition that often appears on the face and scalp in small discolored patches or spots. If you have symptoms of conditions like the skin disorders described here, it's definitely best to consult a medical professional for a diagnosis.